Now, the Securities and Exchange Commission, together with the Bank of Ghana, has made known plans to engage Ghana's online forex trading and cryptocurrency community to solicit inputs to making this niche community regulated and attractive. Now, players in the sector have welcomed this attempt by SEC, but they are also raising some urgent actions, stating that this must be taken in order to deal with the illicit financial inflows and fraud in the value chain of online forex trading and cryptocurrencies. Thankfully, we're joined by a forex trading analyst, Gifty Anosika. She joins us via Zoom on this. Gifty, how endemic are illicit financial inflows and fraud in the online forex and currency, that's the cryptocurrency market? If you could hear me, I'm asking Gifty, how endemic are cases of illicit financial inflows and fraud in the online forex and cryptocurrency market?
Please come again. I couldn't hear you for the first time. You guys had your mic
Can you hear
muted.
me now? Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Perfect. So, I mean, SEC has called for a meeting with players like yourself in the, online forex market. But how endemic are the concerns of fraud and illicit financial inflows in the online forex and cryptocurrency market?
Thank you, Charles. Unfortunately, I would say for the most part, it's more like almost a norm. Majority of the time, the bureaucratical way of doing things with the banks and the protocols tend to discourage forex traders to use those avenues. So majority of the time, especially with the cryptocurrencies, they do huge transactions without traces, all right? So majority of the time, they get away with any other, like something like any trace of transaction. So from there, that is where the fraud actually starts from. You get what I'm saying? Because huge amounts of monies are being transferred without trace,
Well, some weeks ago, you disclosed that Ghana loses about $200 million annually to this untapped market. How much are we losing out exactly from matters regarding illicit financial inflows and fraud?
With an estimation that I did between 2018 to 2020, it was between $150 to $250 million. This is to say that a lot of these people do these things privately. And then there are no traces or whatsoever. And then the scams goes on and on and on without trace. A lot of people invest in these avenues, have their monies lost, and they are not able to voice out because they think forex is illegal in the first place. You know what I'm saying? So there's a lot of unscrupulous behavior going on the forex market.
$150 to $200 million, that's quite significant. But beyond this whole initiative of SEC inviting players like yourself for a discussion in the coming weeks, which other areas of concern do you think government must inject attention to within the online forex and cryptocurrency market?
I will emphasize again that regulation and education should be a must. The way the globalized economy is going from the traditional commerce to the e-commerce, we need as a country to tap into digitalized skills, all right? And I'm hoping that the Ghana Security and Exchange Commission of Ghana, with their institution now that is trying to change their syllabus, will inculcate some of these things into their syllabus to more like enlighten the populace about what is going on, and the need to be educated in terms of our financial literacy is very poor. And we are almost always having problems with bad online and bad investment. We don't want to plunge into another downward spiral of online fraud. That's what I'll say. We need education as a must. We're
so grateful that you joined us. Education, regulation, the key things that she stated, even as SEC considers a possible meeting with players within the online forex and cryptocurrency space to fashion out ways of streamlining the sector through possible regulations and surveillance.